Hello everyone. So if you want to disable live captions on the Android phone, here's how to do that. So for example, you're watching a YouTube video and then suddenly this weird captions start to pop on your screen and you want to get rid of them. So let's do this together. First of all, we are to understand whether those captions are captions from the YouTube video which you're currently watching or whether they are live captions. So you can realize that by simply tapping on them, and if you will see this menu which you can adjust, it means it's live captions. So let me show you how do you turn them off. First of all, open up your settings, for example. Then you're to scroll down to your accessibility tab. After that, we gotta locate our live caption. There it is. Now, easy as that. Simply tap on the switch near it and our live captions are off. So let's try again. Let's play any YouTube video which we have around here. And you will see that no captions are appearing on the screen. Well, basically that's it. If you want to turn it back on, if you find it comfortable, once again, it's always gonna be in your accessibility tab. So open up your settings, open up your accessibility tab, locate your live caption, tap on the switch near it, right, and there you are. You have many settings like languages, excessive captions, so on and so forth. So it's only up to you to decide. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.